Good morning, this is Arpad from exunbox.com. It's a very special edition. We have a very nice EXD camera from IBC. What to know about this camera? This is an EXD camera. Here you see the very fine threads and if you ever wanted to see any kind of camera inside, this, I do believe, a nice picture how it looks like inside. And what is very important, it's an EXD camera, American type certification, IECX 8X type certification. The camera itself is not mounted with cable glands, so any kind of cable gland can be suitably EXD certified. If you look at the nameplate, you will see the type. You will see any kind of useful information there. Enclosure must be installed in a climate controlled room. Cleaning always shall happen with a damp cloth. What is very important here, that all the threads has to be very clean, so any kind of maintenance or repair you would do on the equipment, which allowance you receive from the manufacturer, if any, you should always take care of the threads, and even closing back the housing, you shall take care of the torque, okay? And even please do not forget the sealing, IP54 shall be maintained here as well. This looks a very tiny camera, okay? Even size-wise, even the weight is kind of handy, okay? If you look at the manual, all kind of useful informations there. So enjoy. Many thanks for your kind attention, and hope to see you next time, and enjoy the day.